Swaziland. Welcome to Swaziland. Welcome to Swaziland.
Hello, my name is Reilly. I'm here with my friends to explore Mlilwane Game Reserve. Come with us and we'll show you around. This is an incredible park and he's going to show us the best.
This is the plus box envelopes where about 6 years they've got horns.
So this is a colony for the BeeEaters. So they are nesting there.
Did you like it? I love to do a video production for you too, barter exchange. And please visit these wonderful places at the Kingdom of Swaziland and support them because they support the local communities. Like to get more information? Click on the link below and all the kids will love it when you are here. And hooray! Hooray! Again!
Hooray!
And again!